Assalamualaikum. This is Amanat left luggage or lost property tents. Our job is to look after people's left luggage for at least 3 days or 4 days and trying to find out people's lost things and try to give back to those lost or found items within the Jalsa period or maybe after or before. So our Amanat and left luggage office is located right in front of the scanner posts. When you're entering through the main security scanner post, our office is right in front of that, and you can't miss it. So please bring any lost items as soon as possible, so that we can help people who have lost them. Jazakallah. The request for every department: if they find any lost items, any lost property, please bring it to the lost property office, Amanat and lost property office, so we can hand it over to the rightful owners, which will help to solve a lot of problems. Like sometimes people lose their car keys, their house keys, and their cars are stuck, and we can't help until people bring the lost items soon as possible to the lost property office. Jazakumullah.